Alright guys, here is a Uniden Bearcat 880, and the whole problem we're having with this is the speaker itself is not actually working. It works when you plug in an external speaker, but not the actual speaker in the actual housing here. Now this is a 16 ohm speaker. I ohmed it out at 15.5 ohms. I tested a lot of other things, and I also looked, and I couldn't really find any resources or solutions to anything anybody else had. But I did find the problem, and I wanted to share that with you guys. Again, it's a Uniden Bearcat 880. So hold on a second here. All right. All right. So now that the speaker's plugged in, we can test it, and the solution is actually just the joint right in here on the headphone side. They get a hairline crack, and then they don't actually finish the connection. There's a little pin that's supposed to be pushed out towards the speaker, and it got that crack, so it doesn't have the spring tension on it anymore. But if we turn the radio on, and I actually physically make that connection by myself, we can hear that the I've got it on static just on purpose, but we can hear that the speaker does work and everything is functional. It's just that crack in that connector right there. So it's the headphone jack that's broken, and I hope this helps out some of you who couldn't quite figure out the problem either, but there you go.